Once again, welcome to my channel viewers. We are discussing lesson number 9 of class 10 Cbse curriculum. This is about angles of elevation and angles of depression. Now let us start with question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter tall building. So let us imagine this is the 20-meter tall building, and there is a tower at the top of this building, transmission tower. This is the transmission tower, right? So this is the ground level. Imagine from a point on the ground, angles of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower. So let us imagine this point. Angles of elevation of the bottom of the tower and top of the tower. Let us join the bottom of the tower and top of the tower. So these are the angles of elevation, right? So this is theta 1 equal to 45 degree, and this is theta 2 equal to 60 degree. So we have to find the height of the tower. That means this height. Say this is h. So let us take this triangle ABC. So you are given that angle ACB. This is 60 degree, and let's take this is the point D. Foot of the tower is suppose D. Angle DCB equal to 45 degree. Then you are given BD equal to 20 meter. Imagine that AD equal to H. So we'll find the height of the tower. What is H here? Now in triangle ACB, you see, let us in triangle ACB, you will find tan 60 degree equal to opposite side by adjacent side BC. So what is tan 60 degree? Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, cos 60 degree half, tan 60 degree root 3. AB means H plus 20. BC is unknown. So what is BC then? BC equal to H plus 20 divided by root 3, or you can say square root of 3 BC equal to H plus 20. Now let us come to triangle DCB. In triangle DCB, tan 45 degree equal to opposite BD by adjacent BC. Now tan 45 degree equal to 1, BD, this is 20, so BC, therefore what is BC? BC equal to 20, right? So we got BC now. Now let us replace the value of BC in this relation. Say it is 1 and this is 2. Now from 1 you get BC square root of 3 BC square root of 3 multiplied by BC 20 equal to H plus 20. So what is H? 20 root 3 minus 20, that is 20 multiplied by root 3 minus 1. So this is the height of the tower. Height of the tower, (20) multiplied by square root of 3 minus 1 meter. Now coming back to question number 8. A statue of 1.5 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Imagine this is the pedestal and statue is above this, right? From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. Imagine this is the point on the ground, right? This is the height of the pedestal. This is the height of the statue. Now, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. Say this is the point. Imagine this is the point A. This is 60 degree. And from a same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Same point, top of the pedestal, this point is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. So it is, say, B, this is C, this is D. So you are given that angle BAD, this is 60 degree, CAD equal to 45 degree, right? Statue, height of the statue, it is 1.6 meter. So BC equal to, this is BC equal to 1.6 meter. Find the height of the pedestal. CD. What is CD? H equal to what? Now let us use trigonometry now. In triangle BAD, tan 60 degree equal to BD by AD. Root 3 equal to BD. What is BD? BD equal to BC plus CD. Statue is height of the statue is 1.6 meter. BD by AD. AD is unknown. What is BD? BD equal to BC plus CD, or you can write BC. What is BC? It is 1.6 plus CD. CD is unknown, right? So AD square root of 3 equal to 1.6 plus CD. This is suppose 1. Let us come to triangle CAD. In triangle CAD, you find that CD by AD equal to tan 45 degree. That is 1. Therefore, CD equal to AD. CD equal to AD. Right? So we have to find CD now. Therefore, from equation 1, now from equation 1, you can replace AD with CD. AD means CD. CD square root of 3 equal to 1.6 plus CD. Therefore, CD equal to CD root 3 minus CD equal to 1.6. So you can take CD common here. root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. CD equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. So this becomes 3 minus 1, 2. 1.6 by 2 means 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. That is height of the statue. The height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of the pedestal CD. This is 0.8 into square root of 3 plus 1 meter. Coming back to question number 9 here. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So there are two things here. One is building and one is tower. Right? The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Foot of the tower. So building is higher than the tower. Considering this angle, you see, this is 30 degree. This is tower. Then this is building. This is the tower. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Now you see, this angle must be more than this angle. Considering the height, this is 30 degree. So let us change the idea. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60 degree. Right? So it is tower. Building. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. So it is A, B, C and D. So CD equal to building and AB equal to tower, height of the tower. Tower is 50 meter high. So AB equal to height of the tower 50 meter. Angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Angle DBC equal to 60 degree. Now you see tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. Root 3 equal to CD. CD means it is unknown by BC. So BC square root of 3 equal to CD. This is 1. Again tan 30 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. AB means height of the tower 50 meter by BC equal to 50 root 3. This is 2. Now using the value of BC in equation number 1, we can now derive CD now. Therefore equation 1 gives CD equal to BC root 3. BC means 50 root 3 multiplied by root 3. So what is this? 50 multiplied by 3, 150. What is CD? CD is the height of the building. Therefore height of the building 150 meter, right? So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.